And now imagine that you're in the street or on the street. Both of them are correct. In the street, on the street. You're asking for directions, or because you're looking for a location, you're looking for a place, you don't know how to go or where to go. In that case, you're asking from the people, from the citizen on the street.
Excuse me, where's King Street, please?
Excuse me means I beg your pardon. Pardon me. Where is King Street? Means we need to go to King Street, but we don't know how. Where is it? Do you know?
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, if you do not know the address, in that case you can say, sorry, I don't know. I have no idea. Or I don't live around here. Or I am a tourist. Or I have no idea. Okay, but say sorry.
Excuse me, is King Street near here?
Excuse me, or sorry, or pardon me, or I beg your pardon. Is King Street near here? Means, are we close to the King Street? Or I don't know. Can you help us with that? Because we are lost. We don't know how to go and where to go.
King Street. It's near here, but I don't know exactly where, sorry.
Oh, King Street. It's near here, but I don't know exactly where, which means that you're very close to King Street, but I don't know what exactly you are at the moment. Maybe you're very close, or maybe you're a bit far, but I think you're close to King Street, but I don't know where exactly or where you can definitely go there.
Thank you.
So thank you, or thanks anyway, you can say. Thanks anyway.
Excuse me, can you tell me the way to King Street?
Another way of saying or asking for address or direction, you can say, can you tell me the way? Or could you? Could is better. Could you tell me the way to the King Street? This is another way of asking for the address or place or location, right?
Yes, go straight on.
Yes, sure, of course. Go straight on means go directly without turning right or left. Go forward directly.
Go past the church.
Go forward, go directly forward, okay? Go ahead. You will definitely see a church. When you see the church, don't go left or right. Go and pass the church, just pass it, okay?
And then turn left at the traffic lights.
And then turn left at the traffic light, which means that when you see the traffic lights, just turn left.
And then I think it's the second on the right.
And then I think means I am not so sure, but most probably. Then means after that. After that, I think, I am not sure, but I think it's the second on the right. So first, second, third. So it is the second on the right side.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Sorry, I couldn't understand. Could you say that again, please? Means can you tell it? Can you retell it? Or tell it again? Can you say it again? Because I forgot. So she's repeating right now.
Yes. Go straight on, go past the church, and then turn left at the traffic lights. And then I think it's the second on the right.
Thank you.
So thank you very much.
Okay, it's this street.
Okay, all right. It's this street. Means I am sure that this is the street, right?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. I made a mistake. It is not the King Street.
I'm sure she said the first on the right.
I'm sure, I am certain that she said the first on the right. She said that I am sure. The first on the right.
No, she said the second on the right. Relax, Allie.
No, actually she said the second on the right. Relax. Calm down. Calm down, Allie. Don't worry about it. We will definitely find it.
Look, let's ask that man there.
Look, pay attention. Let's ask that man over there. Let's ask the question. Let's ask the location, the address from that person.
I don't think he knows. He's a tourist.
I don't think he knows, which means that I don't believe that he can know it because he looks like a tourist, or he's a tourist maybe.
Just ask him, please.
Just ask him. Only, please, only ask him. Don't say anything, just ask.
Okay. Excuse me, we're lost.
Okay, all right. Excuse me, pardon me. We are lost means we don't know where we are. We lost our place, we lost the location. We don't know where exactly we are.
Do you know where King Street is?
So, do you know where King Street is? Means I need to know how to go to the King Street. It's another way of asking for the address.
Sorry, I don't live here. I'm a tourist.
Sorry, please forgive me. I don't live here. I am not from around here because I'm a tourist. Okay, so I don't know the address, right?
See, I was right.
You see? Do you see that? I was right.
Okay, let's try the second on the right.
Okay, let's try the second on the right. Let's try this one. I made a mistake, she says.
Here it is, King Street.
Here it is, King Street, which means that right now we are in the King Street. We arrived to the King Street right now.
I knew she said the second on the right.
I knew. So I know right now, I knew the past. So I knew means I was so sure, I was certain that she said the second on the right. I'm so sure about it. I was so sure about it.
There's the restaurant, Donatella's.
So there's the restaurant over there. Can you see that? Donatella's?
Can you see anywhere to park?
So can you see anywhere to park means is there any space, okay, free space to park? Can you see anywhere?
That white car's going over there.
So that white car's going over there, which means that you can follow it and then you can simply find a parking space so that you can definitely park your car over there.
Do you think you can park in that space?
So do you think you can park in that space? Means are you sure that you can park in that space? Actually, he is joking here right now.
Are you saying I can't park?
So are you saying that I can't park? What are you talking about? Of course I can.
Allie, I'm only joking.
Allie, I'm only joking. Don't take it so seriously. I am joking. I am pulling your leg. This is an idiom. I am pulling your leg. I am just joking with you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Now imagine that you're in a gift shop and you want to buy a present. Present means gift. Okay?
Can I help you?
Again, can I help you? How can I help you? Do you need any help?
How much is that t-shirt?
It's a question. How much is that t-shirt? How much is this? How much is that? How much is this book? How much is that clothes? How much is this bag? Okay, you can say this